Hello, CEOs. Today we have something truly special for all you e-commerce entrepreneurs out there. We're going to reveal a secret that can supercharge your e-commerce business, helping you attract more customers and boost your sales faster than ever before. So stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. So when I started my own brand, you get into that whole excited that you have a business and all this stuff, right? Until reality sets and then you be like, okay, I got my products, I got my labels, I got my shipping stuff, all looking all cute and everything else. Then you'll be like, okay, after getting that initial sales, then you'll be like, okay, how am I going to continue getting sales, right? So I was in that space where I was like just looking at my products and not getting that much sales because I hadn't had that clear understanding of what really is going to drive sales in my business. And I'm going to save you that headaches and having to stay at your products that you can't even move by learning this one secret today. So before we dive into this secret sauce, let's quickly talk about the incredible potential of e-commerce. The global online retail market is booming and it's only going to get bigger. But to succeed in this competitive space, you need something more than just a great product and a website. You need a secret weapon. And that's exactly what we are about to unveil. So the secret we are talking about today is not a magic trick or a shortcut. It's about understanding your audience and leveraging the power of data. And this is really powerful. So the first step is to know your audience inside out. Inside out. Who are they? What do they want? What problems can your product solve for them? So it's really important to take that time to really get to know your audience. So to truly understand your audience, you need to collect data. So analyze your website traffic, use social media insights, and engage with your customers to gather valuable information. And once you have the data, it's time to put it to work. So use the data you have gathered to create personalized marketing campaigns. So tailor your messages and offers to the specific needs and preferences of your audience and using the language that they use. So how do they describe their problems? How do they describe their frustration? The language they use, reflect that and use it in your marketing campaigns so that it resonates with your ideal customers. So make sure your website provides an exceptional user experience. So it has to be fast loading times, easy navigation. Don't make it too confusing for people. Make it simple. Don't put too much stuff on the website that it confuses people, right? And make sure that it's mobile optimized. And mobile optimization is really key because most of the customers who's going to be coming from to your website are who are using their mobiles. When it comes to social proof is a gold in e-commerce. Encouraging customer reviews and showcase them prominently on your website. Positive feedback builds trust and confidence. So don't sleep on this. Make sure you're collecting some social proof because people want to know that there are other people who've been interested in your products and they liked your products, right? So having those reviews on your website will help you to convert more people who come to your website. So with your secret weapon in hand, it's time to scale up your e-commerce business. So consider expanding your product line based on what the data tells you about your customer preferences, right? So when you're collecting your data, look to see what are the best selling products, right? What are people more gravitating more to? Use the data to make those decisions to say, okay, if they like this product, maybe you need to buy more of those products, maybe try different colors of that product, right? So by using data, you are making sure that you're only buying products that people really want, not what you want to sell, but what are customers buying from you. It's not about you. Data doesn't lie, so make sure you pay attention to that and act according to what the data is telling you that about what people want from your business or what are they buying more from your business, right? Invest in your targeted advertising and promotional strategies. So use platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads to reach a broader audience. These are very powerful tools that you can use to grow your business, to scale up. Don't forget about your existing customers as you build your business. So build a loyal customer base through rewards program and excellent customer service. And then when you make your customers happy, you can always market to them again and get more loyal customers and build that opportunity for you to have repeat business from them. And there you have it, the secret to growing your e-commerce business fast, understanding your audience and leveraging data to advantage. Remember, success in e-commerce takes time. This secret that I've shared with you, you're going to fast track to that success. You're not going to be like me, who was stuck, not knowing what to do. Fast track your journey for you. You have the success that you're looking for with your business. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and secrets. For now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.